Follow me as we open the door to our one-bedroom business residence, the perfect city retreat. Honest review, no cuts, no editing. As we step inside, we're greeted by this elegant living space. Modern and designed for both relaxation and productivity. Just the perfect place to unwind. Personal opinion here. Can't find this city view elsewhere. You'll be surprised at how amazing it is at night. I sure did. Need to get some work done? We've got you covered with a dedicated work desk and high-speed Wi-Fi. Stay connected and productive from the comfort of your room. And right over here, we have a fully functional kitchenette, ideal for preparing a quick meal or your morning coffee. It's all about convenience and comfort. Plates and glasses are provided. Voila! Advanced microwave and a washing machine. Say goodbye to hanging your clothes as this washing machine is fully equipped with a dryer. Now let's check out the bedroom. This king-size bed offers the perfect balance of luxury and coziness. The wardrobe won't take you to Narnia, but it's well lit with a high-tech safety box, sturdy iron board, and steam iron. The bedroom. I am a clean freak, so having this modern, sleek space and equipped with premium amenities is such a peace of mind. A space to relax. Imagine ending your day here with soft linens and stunning view of Jakarta's skyline right outside your window. And speaking of the view, look at this. A perfect backdrop to your stay in the heart of Jakarta. Whether you're here for business or a getaway, our business room has everything you need for an unforgettable stay. Experience it yourself. We can't wait to welcome you at Mangkuluhur Residences.